All right, good morning. So it's kind of hot right now. So what I'm really looking for is either this or fixing to come out and take this high, maybe pull back and displace. Something in there. So to generate liquidity, we've got to either take out this low and displace or pull back and displace. Or from looking at this high, we've either got to take that out and pull back and displace, or we could just take out this high, do something like that. So we're just waiting. Then I'm looking right here or right there. Low news volatility probably. Even if I do take a trade, I feel like I'm gonna risk down today. So really this range was just built on top of that candle to this low going out. Because we've already manipulated sellers heavily. So if we expand over this high, that will validate buyers are in the market, algos flip on, bam. So possibly something like that. Or if we come up and then close below the range, we could look for something like that. Because I feel like we could definitely take out this low today. So now I'm looking for an entry only if we close below this range. Because we manipulated up. Alright. Manipulated up again. Took all of it out. So I think the overall narrative is bearish. I'm just waiting for us to close below this range. But even if we do close below pretty hard, stop's going to have to be something like that. For 152 points again. No. And on my back testing, Mondays are my most low probable. Ooh, sometimes you just gotta stretch that shit out, bro. But Mondays are my lowest probable day, so I'm like extra precautious. So yeah. So this is the thing about like fair value gaps, right? If we close below, we close above, close below, come back, try to. So now it's like, okay, we're now looking at this gap. We've hit consequent encroachment, tried to push down, we break through it, then we come back below. So I'm not interested in any of those gaps right there because we've already filled. So essentially, if we close below this range, I'm bearish. If we close above this, I'm bullish. Why? Because we're all choppy right now. Like look at this on a 3-minute, right? And then I don't really have a bunch of context because we are at all-time highs. So I'm just looking at a projection of these highs aligning with. So if we close above this range, it could go somewhere up there. But also do not be greedy because it's choppy conditions right now. So if we have another expansion candle through here, I'll be slapping on an entry. Depending on price action, how we get it. 3-minute looks kind of cool. I feel like my win rate on Mondays is so low because we generally we're not hunting anything. It's like Mondays we expand to generate liquidity. Tuesday we hunt that. Wednesday we kind of correct / hunt. And then Thursday usually we are hunting. And then Friday is kind of depends if we like explode or because a lot of people sold off right there, man. That's manipulation. We push up, we couldn't. Push up, we couldn't. So we push up again. We then take out all the sellers right there, or we take out all the buyers. But it's just like we're chopping right now. So this is kind of how I see things. People sold off, stop loss was right there. So we're now migrating to take out those stop losses. Then we generate, then the algos come on and bam, like explosive move. That's how I see it. And people are trying to take trades like that. So watch this. As soon as we take out really somewhere around there, I think if we can close above, we'll generate a lot. Move, move, move. Just have to be patient. Bro, like psychology tips, bro, play like some type of genre of music that like calms you down during your back testing. And then listen to that same thing while you're live trading. It's like it tricks your brain into thinking that like, okay, I'm comfortable. You know? So I think right now we're just trying to trap. And then somewhere inside of like this range here, a bunch of people are going to be entering for sales again. Stop losses are up here again. So that's why it's such a boom factor if we close above this range, because then I feel like we're going to have enough to expand probably like 70, maybe 60, 70 points. It's kind of wicked. So now we're wanting like a strong candle to print out to manipulate more sellers just to take it out, which is like it's like a sabotage almost. Mm. So now it's like we're deep. So if we can close below this range, that will validate bearish bias. But I still have got to be strong on like signature. All right, I think we're bearish now. Unless we snap up 39 points out of nowhere. I mean, it's still kind of looking a little fishy. So if we close below here, below that range, that would be dirty. But that would validate bearish. So that would be like a bearish signature. Change of the state. Whew. I think we're pushing up. I think we're fixing to push up. That's going to be so nasty, bro, because all these sellers are in now and all of them are getting their stop loss cooked if we close above this range. I want to buy right now so bad. Oh, I want to impulse buy so bad. So within this price leg, it's like we had one leg, pull back, two leg, pull back. Now we're just BSing. So really, if we have right here, that'll be a big market structure shift. Or if we push down lower, it would be like, this would be the first leg since we took out this high. So it'd be like first leg, pull back, second leg's going to be big. Ooh. So that's what it's looking like on my other screen. So basically, I impulse bought on paper trade. I don't know. Trading is just so cool, bro. Like it really is. Because once you conquer and well, first you have to experience those peaks and valleys. You have to conquer. So you have to experience the peaks and the valleys and like when to move and when not to move. And then it's like once you learn that, it's like you conquer that. It's like, nope, my old self would have taken a trade right here. Nope, my old self would have taken a trade right here. And then it's just like my new self would wait and be patient till right here. And it's just like, it's so cool. Just kind of low volume. Um, Ooh. So now ES. If this was an ES chart, we've already broke down there. So NQ is just like doing something completely different. All right, right here we can get this big push to close above. Whew. If not, then it's gonna be chop. So this box right here is really just from this range to this high. It's like I would really want for a candle to close above this box. I don't want a candle just to barely close and then close back below. That's going to be like scary hours. So right now, as you guys can see, like within here, it's like we don't have enough liquidity to make a big move up or a big move down. That's just like, it's ingrained in my skull. That's why I'm saying it a lot. It's ingrained in my mind. So like, that's why I always say we've got to close above here or down here. And I don't know what to call it yet. Like I don't know what to claim my strategy as, because I've always felt like I was a follower of someone else's strategy. But just grinding it out and back testing is like, no, I feel like I'm more of like a founder or like a leader than like a follower. Like I'm not just one of those, oh, he's just a IFEG guy. He's just a silver bullet guy. It's like, no, man, this is studied and back tested. And it's like, this is mine, you know. I feel like I kind of did, like, I did kind of copy and paste my, that was close. So if we go back up and we fill that, yeah. If we close and we breach this high, that's money. Gosh, bro, and like watching my own videos, like, dude, I keep hovering over like this. I'll keep hovering over, and whenever I watch that video, it's just like, bro, get that crap out of here. Oof. What time is that? 10:22. I want a candle closure above that. So now I'm switching from 3 minute, 1 minute to 1 minute, 30 second. Because it's like, what if one 30-second candle spikes up 15 points and then it closes up here? Well, you just missed out on those 15 points. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so looks like we are now bearish because we've came up and now we've got a hard displacement candle. I don't know if I want to participate in this. We haven't closed just yet, but because we could still ride up 27 points for sure. And this right here could just be taking out buyers before the big move. So ES is pushing up as well now. Oof. I still think it would be too early if we sold off somewhere in here. I want to see candle closure below this range. And it might just be too low of a volume to push anywhere. We might just slow roll down or up. Okay, so 30-second we closed above. Yeah, I think it's bearish. Dang, bro. That's crazy because, dude, so many people just bought in right there. So then we generated liquidity to push down lower. Maybe. Like, even right now, if we got a big displacement candle, bro. The only way if we're taking sales is if we candle close like that below the range. It's just weird because we manipulated down. That's why my win rate was so low in the past for Mondays because old me would have been like, "Yep, that's it right there." But it's like you got to use context, bro. Like if we did take this out and then we printed like that, then I'll be like, okay, that's more probability. You got to use context and probability to your advantage. Like I don't condone just looking at the 1 minute, bro. You have to use context. It's so much better for you to look at the 3 minute and the 1 minute, or the 1 minute and the 30 second if it's like really crunch time, or even just 5 minute, 3 minute if that's your flavor of cake. I mean, it's so yeah. So I'm kind of using this move right here is like that's manipulation. But also I did say earlier like pullback to generate another pullback to generate. We just need for it to be validated. And by validated is closing below or above a range with good price action. So now it's like price is so weak in this array. So like if we close below, that's gonna take out all the people who bought in here, basically all the buyers. So in this whole range, the big idea, maybe on like a 5 minute or a 3 minute, was to take out all buyers, right? So if we get a good candle closure, see now we're just BSing, dude. I don't know if I should go 15. All right, so now you have to say to yourself, like, it's now 10:32. Usually my take profit or stop loss will be getting hit. So if we don't get anything by 11, I'm probably off. Please displace. Good Lord. Because he's like, price is weak. So we tried to push down to generate, and then it's like we pushed back up. I mean, look at this. This is just... It's got to be bearish, bro. If we close below this range, I'm in, bro. That's bearish. Just gotta wait for a candle closure. Close, bro. Go down and close.
Order filled.
Oh, Derby.
Order filled.
No. That's so bad. Patience, bro. Patience, patience, patience. That's so bad. We could have easily closed below and came back up. That's so bad. All right, so right there, what you guys just saw is like, that's what goes on, bro. That's what goes on. It's like, that's the old self trying to come back out. That's the old me trying to come back out. So we need one more. We need one more candle push down, close below this wick to validate this. As soon as we get that, selling. Oh my gosh. Like, bro, what are we doing right now? What time is this? 10:37? It's like, all right, I feel like that was the failed push. That was the failed push to go back above. Because you see how like it just flutters? If we get a strong candle below here, bro, I'm selling. Oh my gosh, bro. Maybe we're trying to push up to take out those stop losses for the people who already sold. It's just like we have to come up and take those stop losses out to generate. So watch how this volatility shows up out of nowhere. Like at 10:38, right? So a lot of people were probably just like, oh, failed push, buying in. Just be patient, Drewby. Telling you right now. Watch how this volatility just comes out of nowhere. That is so bullshit, dude. Oh my gosh. That is crazy work right there, man. Like where does 1038 and 1040, where does that even come from, dude? 11-point candle, 11-point candle. And bro, I'm telling you, there's somebody behind this shit. 11.75 candle, 11.75 candle. That shit is fishy. Alright, if we get another good candle closure, bro, I'm taking sells. Stop loss is right here. Oh my gosh, bro. This shit. It's just like, bro, that old me is just saying sell, 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 sell. And it's like, I don't have validation yet.
Order filled.
Watch this. Watch this, bro. Gosh, man, I've got to stop doing that 30-second crap, bro. I'm about to get chopped. Oh, man. That sucks. So what bit me was we closed below, and then I got impatient because this candle did not close properly. So like what we could be seeing is fake out, and then we're gonna take out this high and then displace up. That's what I'm scared of right now. But also it could be like manipulation for buyers, 20 point, 15, 20 point candle to the downside. But I don't know if we have the volatility to do that. I mean, what is ES doing? Man. Impatient, bro. And it's like you're wanting a 65-point move. Oh, man. Got to close lower. Shit. If we can get a candle closure. Alright, well, I'm deep in the trade now, so I'm just going to let this rock. I'm not touching anything. Bro, this is just like, it's so intricate. Because I feel like if we go up and we take out this set of wicks, that would generate a lot stronger sell side pressure. And it's like we haven't done that. So we could come up and wick out and then. Damn it, dude. Oh, man. Maybe even this wick.
Order filled.
Fuck, oh, fuck. She's right there. I do not need to take another trade. So we have displacement off this range. If we close back above, but with this type of candle, it's basically saying we don't want to go down. Oh, I just feel like this is a test, bro. This is a test of my ego. That's all it is. Just a test of your ego. This is why I fucking hate Mondays, bro. I hate Mondays. So I need to just walk away, bro. Alright. I mean, shit, I think I just had the wrong range. Because we never displaced, we never closed. We closed back up saying, okay, we want to go take out more. For now, the expansion move down, maybe. At freaking 10:56, low probable time frame. Low probable time. Low probable entry time. It's like that was the first leg, pull back, second leg. Gosh, man, this is so bullshit. This is bullshit right here. Alright. I'm not using the market to my advantage. The market's using me right now. So that's going to be the video. I'll be back tomorrow. We are 0 for 1 for the week. See you guys.